Stunning pearls, the beauty and doubt of oyster harvesting. Imagine the moment when an oyster is cracked open, revealing a perfectly rounded pearl nestled inside. It's a scene of nature's elegance, where something so beautiful comes from something so simple. But as we explore this world, we find that beauty can come with its own set of questions. In this video, we dive into the process of collecting these precious gems, but is it all as genuine as it seems? In a recent video, we watch as someone carefully extracts pearls from a collection of oysters. The experience is mesmerizing, showcasing the serene process of uncovering nature's hidden treasures. Each oyster appears ordinary at first glance, but as it's opened, it reveals a lustrous, iridescent pearl that catches the light in a magical way. It's a moment of pure wonder, a natural beauty that feels almost surreal. As the video progresses, you can't help but feel drawn into the process. The oysters are pried open slowly, revealing pearls that seem to sparkle like tiny moons in the palm of your hand. The colors shift and shimmer, from soft pinks to deep purples, creating an almost otherworldly spectacle. It's easy to get lost in the beauty, the smooth, round surfaces of the pearls, and the simplicity of the method used to retrieve them. The video captures every moment with great detail, highlighting the delicate balance of man and nature. The process of opening and harvesting pearls from oysters is both delicate and skillful. First, the oysters are carefully selected, their shells tightly shut as they rest in their natural environment. Using a specialized oyster knife, the harvester gently pries open the oyster, working with precision to avoid damaging the precious pearl inside. The blade slides carefully along the hinge, popping open the shell with a soft click. Once open, the pearl is often nestled within the oyster's soft tissue, hidden in a small sac that needs to be gently sliced open. The act of slicing the oyster to reveal the pearl requires a steady hand and a deep understanding of the oyster's anatomy. As the shell is sliced open, the pearl often emerges, glistening and round, as if it has been waiting to be discovered. Each pearl, no matter how small, is a testament to the patience and care involved in the harvesting process. The entire act, from opening to slicing, is an intricate dance between the harvester and the oyster, showcasing the fine art of pearl collection. But as I watched, I started to notice something unsettling. The video's beauty came under scrutiny when I started reading the comments online. Some viewers were skeptical about the authenticity of what was being shown. Accusations flew that the pearls were planted or that the video was staged. There was even debate about the environmental impact of pearl harvesting, with some arguing that the practice was damaging to marine ecosystems. These comments made me pause. It forced me to consider whether what I was seeing was real or just an elaborate setup. I found myself caught between the initial sense of awe and the nagging doubt raised by the critics. On one hand, the experience of watching the oysters open and reveal their pearls felt genuine. It was hard not to be captivated by the beauty of nature. But on the other hand, the claims of a manipulated process made it difficult to ignore the potential for deception. I started wondering, can we always trust what we see? Is there a layer of truth that we're missing? The comments raised valid points that made me question whether the video was truly capturing a real, unaltered experience. It was a strange feeling, to be enchanted by something, only to have that enchantment challenged by others who saw things differently. It made me think about how easily perception can be influenced, and how skepticism is often justified when things seem too perfect to be true. Ultimately, the beauty of the video lies in the way it makes us reflect. It's easy to get swept away by the wonder of nature, by the simplicity of finding a pearl. But the doubts that arise, the questions about its authenticity, are just as important. They remind us that, in the age of digital media, nothing is entirely as straightforward as it appears. The experience is a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful things come with layers of doubt. We can choose to accept what we see at face value, or we can dig a little deeper to understand what's really going on. The pearls in the video are beautiful, but the story behind them is what truly matters. The beauty of nature mixed with the uncertainty that comes with knowing that nothing is ever perfectly clear. In the end, whether it's a genuine moment or a crafted one, there's something valuable about the way it makes us think about beauty, truth, and perception. Sometimes, it's important to peel back the layers and decide for ourselves what we believe. This experience reminds us that even the most stunning moments come with a bit of mystery. It's up to us to decide how we perceive it.